So this is a room tour of cabin 223 on B deck on Ventura. It's currently set up as a twin configuration. It is now day 6 of the cruise, so apologies if there's a bit of a mess. But as you can see, plenty of room for 2 single beds with a bedside table in the middle, large mirror above, hello. And then over here we have some desk space with a chair. So you've got a couple of drawers underneath and then some desk space and another big mirror. Hello. You've got the phone here and some charging outlets. So what you've got is a couple of English plugs, an American plug, and I'm not actually sure what that is underneath. No idea. You've got all the gubbins that they provide with room service menu and spa menu and all that stuff. Then you've got a nice cupboard under here with a hairdryer and loads of storage. And then over this side you have a nice comfy chair. Underneath this cabinet you've got a fridge. Nothing in there at the moment, but really useful if you've got any drinks that you want to keep chilled. Above the fridge you've got your tea and coffee making facilities and another UK plug, and then above there you've got a rather small television. It's interactive though, so really useful if there's a film that you fancy watching. There's quite a few to choose from. Then as we make our way through this way, by the bathroom you've got loads of hanging storage, which is really useful, and then loads of space above as well. And then down below you've got plenty of space for bags, shoes. There is also a small coffee table there, but for some reason it was in there. There's probably not enough room for it in the rest of the cabin. Then in here you've got even more storage and a safe. And then let's have a look in the bathroom. Please excuse the mess, because as I say, it is day 6. Unfortunately, you have a clingy shower curtain rather than a glass shower door, which would be lovely, but obviously Ventura is an older ship. Then you've got plenty of storage space up there for your gubbins, so things like aftershaves, toiletries, all that kind of stuff, and then plenty of space around the sink as well. And then underneath, somewhere for me to put my rubbish when I'm not quite done with it yet, but it's not a bad size. Hello again. Yeah, not too bad a size, to be fair. I've had much smaller bathrooms on a cruise ship. And then if we head out this way towards the balcony, it's quite easy to open, luckily. I've been burned before, he says that. We've got 2 nice chairs and a little coffee table, a glass balustrade, and then a lovely view of Cherbourg. So, not a huge amount to show you, but not too bad. I mean, let's just concentrate on this incredible art for a second. Really take that in. But that's it. That is a cabin tour. It's a standard balcony cabin here on Ventura. Nothing special. On the B deck, which is deck 11, cabin 223.